Hello guys, welcome back my YouTube channel. Today we will draw a rainbow elephant. Let's start drawing. First I'll draw his eyes. Now his nose. Shape of his head. Now his body. His legs, his finger, and the drop of waters, his big ears. Now I'm drawing his tail. Now I use black marker to make this video more visible. Now I use orange color with his ear. For his ear, I use yellow his mouth. Now I use green for his body. Now I use blue for his legs. Now I use pink and sky blue. Now I use purple. I use light green for his tail, sky blue for raindrops, light green for grass. Finally, it's going to be ready. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel